Hey guys, it's Jen with the Santa Maria Public Library. So today we're going to make macaroni and cheese. And this is just like our cake recipe where all we need is a microwave, a mug, and a few ingredients to make something absolutely delicious. So we'll go ahead and get started by showing you these ingredients that you need to make your macaroni and cheese. To make our macaroni and cheese in the microwave, we're just going to need a few things. We need a mug, a plate, a fork, we need some water. We need 3 measuring cups, 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, and 1/2 cup. We need some milk, salt, small pasta. I find that small shells or macaroni work very well for this recipe. And then some shredded cheese. And that is all we need to make some macaroni and cheese. To start this recipe, we're going to measure out 1/3 a cup of pasta. And 1/2 cup of water. And then you're just going to want to give your pasta and water a quick stir. And then we're ready for the microwave. So our pasta gets microwaved 3 times before we add anything else to it. But you want to have a plate under your pasta because the water does boil and so it does leak out. So to keep your cleanup nice and simple, just put a plate under your mug and heat for 2 minutes. All right, we've now microwaved our pasta for 2 minutes. And I don't know if you can see on the plate, but there is a puddle of water underneath it. And if we hadn't put that plate there, it would be all over the microwave. So put a plate down before you do this project. Trust me, the cleanup is not fun. So anyhow, once you've microwaved for 2 minutes, you're going to go ahead and stir your macaroni and then heat it for 1 more minute. Okay, we've done our second microwave cycle. This was for 1 minute. Our first microwave cycle was for 2 minutes. Make sure to separate up your microwave cycles and stir in between each one or your pasta will lump together and not be anything that you would want to eat. So we're going to stir this again and microwave for 1 more minute. Okay, our pasta has now been microwaved 3 times, once for 2 minutes, twice for 1 minute. I've gone ahead and stirred it. It's actually a little lumpy right now, but once we add milk and cheese, that's what takes this from plain boiled pasta back to macaroni and cheese. So we're going to add 1/4 cup of milk. And 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. If you don't have pre-shredded cheese, you can shred regular cheese. The only issue with this is there's some stuff they put on shredded cheese that makes it a little bit thicker when it becomes the macaroni and cheese sauce, but you can use regular cheese. So once you've added your milk and cheese, go ahead and give that a stir. You'll notice your pasta already starting to come back apart and not be lumpy anymore. And then we're going to put this into the microwave again. Okay, so our pasta with cheese and milk is going to go into the microwave for 1 minute. All right, our macaroni and cheese is done. So we're going to go ahead and take that out, give it one final stir. And I will show you we have some delicious macaroni and cheese that you made in the microwave in under 10 minutes. So much better than Kraft, way quicker, and gourmet. Hope you guys like this. We'll see you soon.